down the shed.
So something sounded a bit wrong there, but we'll put that down to the K-Song live sound card, which shall be reviewed shortly. I thought I'd get a little bit of it under me belt before we mess around too much. I don't understand some of it. But anyway, experiment number 20, the battery immunizer. Connect the wires according to the wiring checklist and schematic. Note that the collectors of NPN2 and NPN3 are not connected, although their wires cross over each other in the schematic. So let's get that done first. So 16 to 27, 27 to 47. So 16, that is the collector of NPN1. 27 is the battery positive. Yeah, good. I thought I came out then. 27 to 47. So, so 33k. That ain't quite going to make it. So, battery positive to the 33k ohm resistor. 15 to 46. So, that'll be base of NPN1 down to the 33k resistor. 46 to 48. So that'll be 33k ohm resistor to 50k ohm variable. That's 48. 26 to 50. Battery negative. To 50k variable resistor. 50 to 39. So that'll be same plug, same spring. 39 is 470 ohm resistor. And 39 to 11. So that'll be diode, cathode on negative, and where we were going from 39. 33. Oh, sorry, the 470 ohm resistor to the diode. 10 to 14. So we want the anode of the diode down to the emitter of NPN3. 4 to 12, that'll be LED. To the base of NPN3. 4 to 12, 12 to 38. 4 to 12, okay, to 12 to 38. So, base of same transistor. Oh, we're going to shop. To 38, which is the other side of the 470 ohm. 3 to 20. This is the first like complex one we've done. So the anode. 3. Oh, get in. 3 to 20. That'll be the emitter of NPN2. 13 to 18. So, collector of NPN3 down to the base of NPN2 and 18 to 42. So again, the base of NPN2 to 3.3k ohm. 19 to 43 and 43 to unconnected. So that's the collector of MPN2, I think. Looks like that. 43, which is the other side of the 3.3k ohm resistor. 43 to unconnected. So we'll have that as this long one. Right, connect the loose wire from spring 43, 3.3k ohm, which has just come out. To spring 16 NPN1 collector or 9 volt. And we have bright LED. I might just change the light settings here a minute. Okay. Okay, so we've now got the bright light. Bright light, bright light! Now connect the wire to spring 17 NPN1 emitter instead of spring 16. But we'll just rest it in there. The LED is still bright. So we made a change and nothing happened. Does this seem like a dull experiment? It may seem dull, but the important idea here is that we made a big change to the circuit, but nothing happened to the LED. Take a look at the schematic. The circuit to the left of the loose wires reduces the voltage to 4.7 volt. You connect the loose wire to either 9 volt battery voltage or the modified 4.7 volt. The circuit to the right of the loose wire creates a fixed current to the LED, which will not change even if the voltage 9 volt or 4.7 volt to the circuit changes. So when you changed which voltage the loose wire was connected to, you didn't see any change in the LED brightness. In case you're not convinced by this, let's change the circuit to prove it. Place LED 2 in series with the 3.3k ohm resistor. Remove the wire from spring 42 and connect it to spring 2. Right, so move the wire from 42 and connect it to spring 2. And add a wire from spring 1 to spring 42. Now connect the loose wire to the 2 voltages as before. And you should see LED 2 change between bright and dark, while LED 1 remains as before. So let's just so pin 16 and pin 17. So pin 16, and as you see, we have a bright and a dim LED. And pin 17. Now we just have one. So both LEDs and a dim LED. So there's 2 different voltages. There's the 9 volts, there's the 4.7 volts, I guess. You could use a circuit like this when you don't want your performance to be affected as your voltage drops, perhaps due to a battery weakening over a long period of use. So you could say your circuit is immune to or protected against a weak battery. So that is experiment 20. The battery immunizer. I'll get this word right one day. Immunizer. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you to the crowd. You're so kind.
And don't forget to hit the bell. See you in the next one. Ta-ra!